Good afternoon, everybody. Today's topic is going to be how to find stocks to day trade. Now, this is the most common question that I honestly probably get, and it's simple, but it's not. So, how to find stocks to trade? I have something called stock scanners that searches the entire market to look for the hottest stocks. And, right now, this is the hottest stock, MDWD. This stock is up, 34% and is continue to push up. It's crazy. And I got into this thing as it broke through the 200 moving average line at around 511. And then I took profits all the way up until 545. I want to get it right here. So it was around an 8% win. And I had members, get it all the way up to almost $6. But yeah, so this stock is just killing it. And how did I know that this stock was gonna move and continue to rally up? Well, it's simple, guys. I look for volume. Volume is one of the key features for day trading. Just because volume pushes price, and I need to make sure that there is enough volume to get me in and out of the trade. So let's pull up TCON. Let's see TCON. This one just hit my scanner. So look at this. So this stock just hit my scanner right here. We had a huge wick right here, and look what it was, guys. That huge volume coming in. This volume's coming in like crazy, guys. TCON. And now, we're going to have the fight between buyers and sellers. That's the first thing that's going to happen. The fight between buyers and sellers. And this will determine which way the stock is going. So if it can push, if it can push back up to, 132, you obviously know that the buyers are in control. So this candlestick right here is going to be the tell sign of it. Looks like we have no volume, but it is starting to push in. And look at all this red coming in. And then we have some fighters coming back with some heavy size, some lighter size. Alright, let's make this. So this is what I look for, guys. I want to make sure that this is mostly green. And if you're a short seller, you want it to be mostly red, because you want to trade with you want to trade with the trend. And as you can see, look how big these orders are that are coming in. Huge orders, guys. So that's why we had this huge drop in price, is because we had short sellers coming in with heavy orders, guys. So what I look for is I just look for stocks with volume, because that pushes price. Also, what I do every morning is I go through and I see the stocks with, the highest, wait, hold on. I look for the stocks that are gapping up, because, this stock was gapping up and then sold off. So out of the get-go, I'm not going to be looking for it until it hits my high of day scanner, which I have set up. So right now I'm just pulling up Google Chrome. I'm going to show you my scanner. It's actually live on YouTube right now. So, I go live pretty much at like 8:30 a.m., 9 o'clock, and I run it all the way until roughly 11. I'm not sure what's going on here, but all right. So let's just go. It's like super. Whoa. Okay. It's like super glitchy. All right, youtube.com /c/Carter Farm. All right, so now we're just pulling up on my YouTube channel just so you guys can see my scanner, and I'll show you how I found that stock, that TCON. And like I was saying, it's very, very important to understand the power of these things pop up on my computer all day. But alright, so I'm live right here. So if you guys are new to the channel, drop a subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. But alright, so let's pull it up here. Zero watching. That's all right. But yeah. So what I look for is I put this up each and every day, and it's just the high of day in the gappers scanner. So this morning we had these gappers. We had STAF, which pretty much fell off the map. Then we had BPTH, wasn't doing anything. We had all of these stocks right here, and these right here, whoa, are the most common and the ones that I use most often. So TCON hit the scanner, and this is on the high of day scanner because people are more likely to buy in a stock when it's breaking out of resistance, and that's pretty much what it means. This right here is breaking out on volume. This is very self-explanatory. When a stock has a lot of volume, I get notified on here. So we have EVRI hitting it right now. It looks like it's really not moving a whole lot just because it's only 3.2 cents to close. So this is what I look for. I look for stocks that are breaking out of resistance. I look for stocks that are moving. This stock broke out of resistance at 527 and caught fire. And often what will happen is, I'll show you guys. So 527, or yeah, about 530, 527. So often stocks that continue that open and are gapping down and have some sort of resistance, if they break through it like this one did, often it will come back and tap it. So this right here will be one of the best buys on the chart, is right in here at this 530 mark, just because we do have a doji candle, and we could set our stops very easily right above it, right below it, excuse me, and pretty much just continue to wait and ride out this pattern, because it's all upward trending. And as you guys can see, this is not good to look at, but back here we had a lot more green. We had a lot more buyers coming into this, just because, like I said, it had news, it had all kinds of good stuff going for it. So that's why I hopped in and I just rode the trend. The trend is your friend, guys. Make sure you understand that. You don't want to be coming in short, around anywhere, around here, because you want to understand the flow of the market. It's very important. And if worse comes to worse, you don't trade. You take a step back and you just look at it and watch it. As you can see, we had a look at this red coming in. Then boom, we have all this green. So that's where we get this another spike up. Because yeah, look how big these orders are, guys. These orders, 10,000 right here. So pretty large orders. But yeah, so you just look for stocks with momentum, and each and every day, you guys are more than welcome to use my scanner if you don't want to pay for it, which I totally get. But yeah, so that's it though. That's how you find stocks to trade. It's not just picking a random stock. It's finding stocks with news. It's finding stocks with volume, momentum. It's all of that good stuff, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys learned something. And if you did, I would greatly appreciate a huge thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you want me to add some sort of scanner for you, just leave a comment, and I will gladly get rid of probably the RSI reversal, or I'll figure it out, guys. So that's it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Take care, everyone.